Okay, so completely forgot primer. The foundation I'm using is from Smashbox. This is going to be a super fast video because originally I did this for my Instagram IGTV. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should. So I will leave my username somewhere on the screen right now. Yeah, so I just thought I would upload it here since it is using this month's Boxycharm just to get you guys an idea of a look to create with this palette because there's not many options in this palette. So I took a Smashbox concealer and I just wanted to warm up my face a little bit. So mainly I like to warm up my forehead because it's a little big. But yeah, so I just applied it in a couple areas and then I made sure to blend it out and try not to take a long time to blend this concealer out because it doesn't blend out after it dries out. It kind of dries a little bit fast, but when it does blend out, it does blend out really well. So I just did that. For concealer, I used Huda Beauty's Overachiever concealer. I would probably use this concealer a little bit more, but I just really don't like the applicator. I'd rather have a stick form for me to use personally. So I do like the concealer overall. The coverage is great and it lasts really long, but yeah, I just don't like the applicator. And the brush that I'm using is from Tarte. I always try to link it in my videos because I do like one side, the slightly angled side for my concealer, and then I use the other side for my bronzer. Okay, so next, this product comes in the Boxycharm. It's an eye, lip, and cheek palette. I don't really like cream products, but this is a cream to powder formula, which I do really like. So I used the pink on my cheeks. I'm assuming you can use any color for whatever you want. I used the pink on my cheeks and I applied this before I added any powder, any setting powder, anything like that, even though it is a cream to powder. And it worked really well. You can't really, I didn't put a lot, but you can't really see as much on camera, I guess. It looked a little bit better in person. And then the palette that I got is also from Boxycharm. This is the one from this month, and I use this, it's kind of like a pinkish peach color. I use that as my transition shade with a Sigma E38 blending brush, and if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm to get this box, I'm going to try to have this up before the month is over. If you want to get this box, I will have a link in the description box below to get it. For this whole box is, I believe, $25 with free shipping with a link in the description box. And you get 5 full-size products. The next color I used is the dark brown. It does have a slight shimmer to it. I applied that to the outer corner of my eye only, and then I'm going to work it into my crease. I'm kind of slowly building up the color. Then I'm going to cut the crease with concealer, and then I wanted to try a lot of the colors as much as I could. So I used this white, it's a matte color. This really didn't do too much on me. I applied that to the first half of the cut crease, and then the next color, which was a really, really pretty color, and it worked really well, is that color I'm pointing to right there. It's kind of like a peachy, shimmery champagne color. I applied that to the second half. And then I went back in with a dark brown color just to make sure those two colors were blended good. And I did want to try to incorporate that glitter color, that orange glitter, so I applied a little bit over the shimmery shade that I used because it is more of a loose glitter. It's not something that, it's not like a shimmery glitter, it's a loose glitter, so it just applies it like a regular glitter. And then I took a Sigma gel eyeliner and just added slight wing. This also comes in the Boxycharm. It's Lily Lashes mascara. And then just going to apply a little bit of bronzer to warm up my face. I used the Marc Jacobs coconut bronzer. And another thing that comes in the box is a body scrub, which I used last night and it feels so good on the skin. Really loved that body scrub, and it is full size. Forgot the brand. I think it's First Aid Beauty. No, I'm not sure of the brand, but I really liked it. And then it also comes with, I didn't show it here, it comes with a lip gloss and lip liner duo. I didn't show it just because I didn't use it. Then I used that cream highlighter for highlighter. And that was really pretty. I didn't use a lip liner because I just didn't think it would look right with the color. It wasn't going to look right with what I was doing on my eyes. So I went in with that same little palette and I used the center color for a lipstick, and it worked really well and it was really pretty. And then I just set everything with this new Milani setting spray, 3-in-1 setting spray, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.